There's a right way and a wrong way to use a Titrets ampoule. One potential problem analysts can run into is that if the tip of the Titrets valve assembly is allowed to rise above the sample surface, air will be drawn into the ampoule, rendering the test useless. If this happens, you'll notice bubbles entering the Titret, and it won't be possible to pull in any additional sample. From there, the analyst will need to restart the testing process with a new ampoule. In order to keep the tip of the Titrets assembly fully submerged below the surface of the sample during testing, it can help to tilt the sample cup. A second problem analysts occasionally face relates to drawing too much sample into the ampoule at one time. This can happen if the control bar of the Titrettor is pressed too firmly or for too long, causing the analyst to potentially overshoot the endpoint color change, thus, again, rendering the test result invalid. The smaller the doses of sample that are added during testing, the more accurate the test result will be. Finally, analysts are advised to rock the assembly 2 or 3 times after each dose of sample is drawn into the ampoule. Failing to do so can lead to incomplete mixing of the sample and reagent, such that the endpoint color change is delayed, causing invalid results. In the end, when the straightforward instructions supplied with your kit are followed, our Titrets ampoules provide a means to titrate water samples quickly and easily while delivering accurate test results. Thank you for relying on CHEMetrics by Aquaphoenix Scientific for simplicity in water analysis.